Hello, I'm Katie with WTI and I am so excited to share these dressy trousers from Tapata. Now these are their black plaid high waist pants in a size 14 and these really are the perfect trendy work pants. I love how professional they are while having a cool design to them. The straight leg can be paired with so many different shoes from loafers to heels, and the black plaid just really elevates my black blouses and shirts that I love to wear. And what's important to me these days really is comfort. I just cannot work in uncomfortable pants, and these are perfect. The material feels soft against the skin, and most importantly, the high waistband does not dig into my skin. It has a stretch that is incorporated, meaning it flexes as I flex. So that also means I don't have any gapping when I'm bending over or sitting. Even if your work doesn't require professional attire, these are so comfortable and make you feel so good when you are wearing them that you're just gonna wanna wear them whenever. They are also perfect for going out, like going to brunch. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.